Welcome back to Cultivating Contentment. We are on week 10, day 4 of our study, and this week's topic is even if. Our scripture verse today comes from Ephesians 3:16. I pray that out of his glorious riches he may strengthen you with power through his Spirit in your inner being. And our quote from today comes from Lucy Swindle. And nothing any of us experiences is pointless or useless. The good, the bad, the ugly, even the things we think will kill us. God uses it all, and he devises our destiny out of the stuff and our trash. He sifts it out, shows us the value, and then uses us to help others because of it. Sometimes things are really, like, you wonder when you're going through rough times, how is this ever going to benefit me, or how is God ever going to use this, or why would God want to use this? And he always seems to find a way somewhere, and you look back and think, oh yeah, maybe he didn't cause me to go through that, but he is using me because of that. So for example, for me, one of the toughest things that I've gone through recently was the loss of my sister. And she was my best friend. We talked almost every day. She was like a second mom to me. It was hard, and it was hard to watch her suffer as the cancer just ravaged through her body. But I have found since then that God has really used my experiences through that with maybe in a lot of different ways. So, I had a student last year who lost his sister, and I was able to just be really genuine with him and really empathize, and I could understand the pain that he was feeling. Or I've had, other people that have lost parents, other students, or even people in our church who have gone through similar things, and enough time has gone, and enough healing, and God has used that experience of mine to allow me to help other people. So, I don't think that he necessarily wants us to go through all those bad trials in life, but he sure is going to be with us through them, and he's going to use it to help others if he can. Our question today, what can we learn from our problems according to Romans 5:3? And our last question for today, when will our trials come to an end? Revelation 14:13 mentions that time. So I'm a little late recording this. I do these the night before, and our daughter Ruth actually came over today and did a Q&A with Denny for the church, and that was pretty fun. She came for dinner, and still not able to hold that grandbaby yet, but she didn't get to come with her, but hopefully not too much longer. So stay safe, stay healthy, and blessings to you, and I will talk to you tomorrow.